28,000 families need affordable housing. And these aren't people that we don't know. These are teachers, these are firemen, these are policemen. These are the bus drivers that greet your child every morning.
We provide home ownership throughout Wake County to families primarily earning less than 50% of the area median income. And that is not an easy thing to make happen. And Habitat has found a way over 31 years now to make that happen, over 550 times in Wake County. But as we've done that, the county is growing and the need is growing with that.
We were definitely looking for a partner that would help us with what we called Habitat X at the time. That helped us with lending opportunities that they could provide that would allow us to serve more families. And so it was a natural fit for Coastal Federal to be a part of that.
One of our strong partners over the years is Coastal Federal Credit Union. They are a partner with us in many ways. They, a couple years ago, launched a Share the Love campaign, and they sponsored an entire house, and not just the house, but the land that it was built on. They raised $100,000 in their community and made that donation to Habitat Wake and built alongside the Kaleji family in North Raleigh to do that a couple years ago. Coastal is led by their CEO, Chuck Purvis, and Chuck has been a faithful part of our CEO build each year. Numerous staff members who are out here serve on our board, on our annual fund, and our family service committee. Many staff members at Coastal have volunteered to help build homes. It's definitely a part of the fabric of their organization.
We are announcing today the commitment of $3 million to make low-interest loans to Habitat homeowners over the next 2 years. $3 million.
We were so excited to begin our partnership with Coastal Federal, and the first homeowner who got documents and keys thanks to the funding from Coastal Federal was Lanisha Bryant. She is a single mom with a son who has Down syndrome, and she wants to open her own salon one day, and Coastal Federal and Habitat are helping to make that possible.
Before I came to Habitat, I was staying with my mom, my brother, and his family, so it was kind of crowded. It was about 8 of us in a 2-bedroom. My home means everything to me. You know, this means security. You know, I've been so many places and not really having something to call my own, and now I do. It's really still shocking to me, but I'm loving it.
We built 500 houses in our first 30 years. We plan to build another 500 in the next 8 years with that. So that's when we talk about doubling, that's what we're talking about. And it's families. It's 500 families that will just make, generational difference in those families' lives.
I gave my children a better life than I had. I never had a home to call my own. And for me as a mom, it makes me proud. It makes me feel like, I did something and I accomplished something. As a mom, as a woman, like, that's a good thing to lock this door every day and say, I'm going to work because I have to, I have a home to uphold. So that's a great feeling itself.
Thank you, Coastal Federal Credit Union, for your partnership with Habitat Wake.
On behalf of the board, we are just truly blessed to have you as that partner and very grateful to have you as that partner. So thank you very much.